Hey, and welcome to our guide. If you run a Texas LLC, filling your annual public information report, or PIR, is key to staying compliant in 2025. I'll show you how to file it easily with the Texas Comptroller. So Texas LLC must file a public information. So Texas LLC must file a public information report annually by May 15th per Texas Comptroller. It's free and updates your LLC's details like address and managers. If your LLC was formed after January 1, 2025, your first PIR is due May 15th, 2026. Veteran-owned LLCs approved between 2022 and 25 are exempt for 5 years per lluniversity.com. Gather your LLC EIN, SOS file number, and manager details. After that, guys, you need to visit the comptroller.texas.gov, click Franchise Tax, file a public information report, log in with your web file number from your franchise tax responsibility letter, or create an account using your LLC's 11-digit taxpayer number. After that, select Form 0502, enter your LLC's SIC or NAICS code, principal office address, and manager names. I forgot, for example, my web file number once, and I had to call the number to receive help. After that, guys, you can review your details, sign the declaration digitally, and submit by May 15th, 2025. Next business day, if it's a weekend, you'll get a confirmation email, and of course check your status on the Comptroller's site to ensure it's processed, usually within days. Late fillings risk a notice of forfeiture, so don't delay, warns lluniversity.com. So guys, that's pretty much it. So hopefully this tutorial helps you out. Do not file too late, so you will be avoiding the rush process. So yeah, guys, just share your experience below. Hopefully everything went smoothly for you. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.